Alright fam, today's 5 minutes are all about releasing tension and unlocking flexibility in your spine, hips and shoulders. You can do this anywhere, a quiet corner at home, your favorite spot outside, or even after a workout at the gym. No equipment is needed, just you, your mat and your energy. We'll move through 6 powerful stretches designed to improve mobility, calm the mind, and leave you feeling recharged. Each stretch is dynamic and focused, with durations ranging from 30 seconds to 1 minute. Let's hit the mat. Let's start grounded. Sit comfortably in a cross-legged position on the mat. Sit tall, stacking your shoulders over your hips, and take a deep breath in, lifting both arms overhead. Feel your spine elongate as if you're reaching for the sky. Now exhale and twist gently to the right. Place your right hand behind you for support and your left hand on your right knee. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your twist coming from your midsection, not your neck. Breathe into the stretch, feeling your spine unwind. Sink a little deeper into the twist with every exhale, letting your body release tension layer by layer. Switch sides. Inhale, reset by lifting your arms overhead again, and exhale, twisting to the left. Place your left hand behind you and your right hand on your left knee. Let your breath guide the stretch. It's your best tool for release. Roll onto your stomach and prop yourself up on your forearms with your elbows directly beneath your shoulders. Spread your fingers wide and press firmly into the ground. This is your Sphinx pose, a gentle yet powerful stretch for your lower back and spine. Take a deep breath in and lift your chest slightly, feeling the extension in your spine. Exhale, letting your hips and thighs relax into the mat. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable, and imagine your spine lengthening with each breath. Keep holding. If you'd like to deepen the stretch, press a little harder into your palms and lift your chest just a bit higher. Let your breath create space in your body. Push yourself up onto all fours. Tuck your toes and lift your hips into downward dog. Press your heels toward the mat and feel the stretch travel through your hamstrings and spine. Now shift forward into cobra stretch. Lower your hips to the ground. Press into your palms and lift your chest. Let your shoulders roll back as you open up your chest. Flow back into downward dog and repeat this dynamic movement for 1 minute. Feel the wave of energy move through your body with each transition. Downward dog stretches the back of your legs and spine, while cobra stretch opens up your chest and shoulders. This is strength and flexibility working in harmony. Now lie flat on your stomach, arms extended out in a T shape. Take your right leg, bend the knee, and slowly cross it over your body to the left. Keep your chest and shoulders close to the mat as you feel the stretch travel through your lower back, spine, and shoulders. Breathe deeply, fam. Each exhale allows your body to soften into the twist. Sink into the stretch and let gravity do the work. Your shoulders and back are releasing tension with each breath. Switch sides. Bring your right leg back to the mat. And now cross your left leg over your body to the right. Feel the same release through your back and shoulders. Relax into the stretch, fam. It's a great way to loosen up from sitting or standing all day. Let's finish with something simple but essential. Sit back comfortably, extend your arms forward, and begin to roll your wrists in small, smooth circles. First, rotate outward, loosening those joints. Then reverse the direction, feeling the tension release from your wrists and forearms. This is your reset, A small movement that packs big impact. Keep rolling. Shake out your hands gently if it feels good. Let's end on a strong note, ready for whatever's next. And that's it, fam. 5 minutes of focused stretching to unlock your spine, hips, and shoulders. Are you feeling looser and more energized, fam? If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to smash the subscribe button so you never miss a new routine. Also, don't miss out on an incredible opportunity to level up your fitness journey. Get access to an exclusive 100% customizable fitness program, complete with a checklist, workout plan, nutrition guide, meal plan templates, recipe book, fitness tracking tools, and so much more. The best part? It's 100% free. Just check the link in the description below. Start building the stronger, healthier body you deserve today. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.